Swaddling your newborn can feel like a tricky task, but with the right techniques, it can be a game changer for both you and your baby. Imagine calming your little one in seconds with a perfect swaddle that mimics the comfort of the womb. Whether you're a first-time parent or a seasoned pro, mastering the art of swaddling not only helps your baby sleep better, but also brings peace of mind, knowing you've done it safely and effectively. Ready to learn how to swaddle like a pro? Let's dive in and make your baby's nap time easier and more restful. Choose the right swaddle blanket. Choosing the right swaddle blanket is crucial for ensuring your baby's comfort and safety. Opt for soft, breathable materials such as cotton or muslin that won't irritate your baby's delicate skin. These fabrics are gentle and allow for airflow, preventing overheating, which is a common concern for parents. The blanket should be large enough to wrap snugly around your baby, typically around 40 inches by 40 inches. A properly sized blanket gives you the flexibility to securely wrap your baby without restricting their movement or making them feel uncomfortable. Additionally, avoid thick, heavy blankets that might make your baby too warm, especially if they're already dressed in layers. Muslin is a popular choice because it's lightweight and breathable, providing just the right amount of warmth. Some swaddle blankets even come with Velcro or adjustable fasteners for extra ease, allowing you to secure the wrap tightly without worrying about it coming undone during the night. When you use the right blanket, the swaddling process becomes easier and your baby will feel secure and comfortable. Lay the blanket in a diamond shape. To get started with swaddling, lay the blanket flat on a surface in a diamond shape, with one corner pointing upward. This position ensures that you have ample room to wrap the blanket around your baby's body comfortably and securely. The shape also helps you maintain control over the swaddle, so it's easier to get the perfect fit. The top corner of the blanket should be positioned just above your baby's shoulders, leaving enough space for their head and neck. By positioning the blanket this way, you create a solid foundation for the rest of the swaddle, ensuring it will hold your baby snugly. The diamond shape allows for a secure wrap, with the extra fabric on the sides making it easier to tuck around your baby's arms and body. This method is ideal for creating a snug, secure swaddle that mimics the comforting embrace of the womb. As you fold the sides of the blanket around your baby, this shape helps maintain a tight, safe fit while allowing you to adjust the blanket for your baby's size. Overall, laying the blanket in a diamond shape sets the foundation for a proper, effective swaddle that will help keep your baby calm and comfortable. Place baby on their back. When swaddling, always place your baby on their back first. This is a fundamental safety step to reduce the risk of sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS, and ensure that your baby is in the safest position during the swaddle process. Laying your baby on their back ensures that they are in a stable, secure position, minimizing the chances of suffocation or other risks associated with incorrect positioning. This is a practice that aligns with safe sleep guidelines recommended by pediatricians, as babies should sleep on their backs, not on their stomachs or sides. Once your baby is lying on their back, make sure their head is placed slightly above the top edge of the blanket, allowing enough room to wrap the rest of their body securely. Their arms should rest gently by their sides, not raised or bent, to make swaddling easier and more effective. By keeping their body relaxed in this position, you ensure that the swaddle will be snug without feeling restrictive, promoting comfort and relaxation for your baby. This safe and proper placement is key to ensuring your baby enjoys the calming effect of the swaddle. Tuck one arm and corner. The next step in swaddling your baby is to gently tuck one arm and corner of the blanket. Start by taking one side of the swaddle blanket and folding it over your baby's body. While doing this, gently tuck one of their arms down at their side to ensure it stays secure within the wrap. This step is crucial in providing a snug and comfortable swaddle, making your baby feel secure, as if they are being embraced. The blanket should be pulled tight enough to hold the arm in place, but not so tight that it restricts circulation or causes discomfort. After you have tucked one arm, secure the corner of the blanket around your baby's body by pulling it snugly and tucking it underneath their body. This helps keep the blanket from unraveling or shifting while your baby moves. Make sure the swaddle is not too tight around the chest to allow for comfortable breathing, and that there is enough room for your baby's chest to expand. This tight but breathable swaddle will help your baby feel secure and calm, mimicking the warm environment that they are familiar with, making it easier for them to fall asleep and stay comfortable. Tuck the other arm and secure the blanket. Once one arm and the corner of the blanket are secured, it's time to wrap the other side of the blanket around your baby. Gently lift the remaining arm and bring the blanket over their body, just like you did with the first arm. Be mindful not to pull the fabric too tight around the arm or torso. The goal is to create a snug fit that feels secure, but still allows some movement. This second arm tuck ensures that both of your baby's arms are safely swaddled and prevents them from accidentally escaping the wrap. After the second arm is tucked in, take the remaining corner of the blanket and pull it across your baby's body, ensuring it is tight but not uncomfortable. This final step is key to keeping the blanket secure around your baby, preventing it from coming undone while they sleep. Tuck the end of the blanket beneath your baby's body or under their back, making sure that it's smooth and free from wrinkles. The swaddle should be snug around the chest and shoulders, but loose around the hips and legs to allow natural movement and avoid any risk of hip dysplasia. This step will leave your baby feeling cozy, safe, and swaddled securely. Leave room for baby's hips and legs. While swaddling, it's important to leave room for your baby's hips and legs to move naturally. A snug fit around the chest and arms is necessary, but the lower part of the body should not be too tightly wrapped. Tight swaddling around the hips can cause discomfort or even developmental issues, such as hip dysplasia, which is why pediatricians recommend leaving some space around the legs. This can be achieved by not wrapping the blanket too tightly around the hips, allowing for enough room to bend the legs slightly. To ensure proper swaddling, you can fold the bottom of the blanket into a loose tuck, making sure that your baby's legs can still move freely. This position allows your baby to stretch their legs and hips without feeling restricted. By giving your baby's lower body space to move while their upper body is securely swaddled, you strike the perfect balance of comfort and security. This technique not only ensures your baby's physical well-being, but also promotes better sleep by preventing discomfort during their rest. Check for comfort and safety. After you've swaddled your baby, it's essential to check that the swaddle is comfortable and safe. Gently slide your hand inside the swaddle to feel the temperature around your baby's chest and back. If the fabric feels too tight or if the baby seems overheated, adjust the swaddle to ensure they are comfortable. It's also important to check that your baby's head is not covered by the blanket and that their face is unobstructed, as this helps prevent suffocation. A comfortable swaddle should feel like a soft, gentle embrace, without any sharp edges or tight spots that might cause discomfort. Additionally, check that your baby can breathe easily. The swaddle should allow for some movement of the chest and the ability to expand their rib cage, while still keeping their arms snug and secure. If the blanket feels too tight around the chest, or if you notice any signs of distress in your baby, such as restlessness or excessive fussiness, loosen the swaddle slightly. Always ensure that the swaddle doesn't restrict your baby's natural movements and provides a sense of comfort and safety that allows them to sleep peacefully and securely. Regular checks and adjustments are key to ensuring your baby's well-being while swaddled. Swaddling your baby like a pro can make all the difference in providing comfort and security for your little one. With these simple steps, you can create a soothing environment that helps your baby feel calm and content, promoting better sleep and overall well-being. Remember, the key is ensuring the swaddle is snug yet breathable, leaving enough room for natural movement, especially around the hips and legs. As you continue to practice and perfect your swaddling technique, you'll notice how it becomes second nature, giving both you and your baby the peace of mind you deserve. Keep these tips in mind and enjoy the bonding moments as you comfort your newborn like a true pro.